Hello children, today we will learn about one and many. You already know about this topic. Let's start with it now. One means singular, that is एक. Many means plural, that is एक से ज़्यादा. ये टॉपिक आपके हिंदी के टॉपिक एक अनेक के जैसा ही है. Let's learn about this topic now. We add letter S in the singular word to make it plural. हम letter S को add कर देते हैं. Let us see some examples. 1. Apple. Now we have 1, 2 and 3. The word is apples and the spelling is APPLES. We have added letter S at the end of the word. 1. Bat. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 bats. The spelling is BATS. We have added letter S. 1. Cap. Now we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 caps. The spelling is CAPS. 1. Pencil. Now we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. The word becomes pencils. The spelling is PENCILS. 1. Boy. 2 boys. BOYS. 1. Fan. And now we have 3 fans. We have added letter S and the spelling is FANS. We add ES when the last letter of our word is S, H, O और X. अगर हमारे किसी भी वर्ड में लास्ट में लेटर S, H, O या X आता है तो हम वहाँ पे ES ऐड कर देते हैं. Now let's see some examples. 1. Bus. Last letter is S. Now we have 3 buses. We will add ES and the spelling will become BUSES. Buses. 1. Watch. The last letter is H. So we will add ES. Now we have 3 watches. So the spelling will become WATCHES. Watches. In the same way, 1. Dress. Last letter is S. So we will add ES. The spelling will become DRESSES. Dresses. 1. Tomato. Last letter is O. Now we will add ES. The spelling will become TOMATOES. Tomatoes. 1. Box. Last letter is X. 4 boxes. Spelling will become BOXES. Now let's try small exercise. Ram has 2 dash. राम के पास 2 क्या है? Pens. 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 I have 3 dash. मेरे पास क्या है 3? Mangoes. MANGOES. Dash are flying in the sky. क्या फ्लाई कर रही है स्काई में? Birds. 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 The dash are twinkling in the sky. क्या ट्विंकल कर रहे हैं स्काई में? Stars. STARS, stars. Thank you everyone. Hope you liked my video. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel.